Hi, welcome back to my channel Nest Bags and Cooks. Today I have come up with one recipe that is how to make cheese cream at home. So it's very simple to make. I would request you to please watch my video till the end patiently. So let's get started. In this pan I've taken around 2 liters of full fat milk. This I'm going to boil. I've placed it on the stove. Into this I'm going to squeeze around 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We'll keep on boiling till the milk curdles. You can see that the milk has curdled down. Now I'm going to switch off the gas. I've taken one strainer. I'm going to separate the whey from the curd. So here is the curd. I'm not going to throw the liquid. This can be used in making varieties of recipes. You can even use while baking cakes or while kneading chapati dough. I'm going to let it sit for around 10 to 15 minutes so that the extra whey is completely drained out. Now I'm going to put into the jar and blend for around 5 to 10 minutes. So here is the cream cheese. I'm going to transfer this in a container. Look at this. So smooth and creamy, isn't it? It's very simple to make. Instead of buying from the market, you can easily make it at home. And this you can keep it in the fridge for around 7 days. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and yes, please do comment also, and please don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video.